A very warm good morning to all of your dear parents and my dear children. How are you all? Hope you all are safe and doing well. So children, let's start with today's activity. Today we are going to make one wall hanger or wall decor. So for this you will need these things. One white paper cut into moon shape. Again paper you can cut some star shapes. One thread, Fevicol or sellotape, whatever you have. And that's it. So dear parents, here I am using this type of glitter paper, but if you don't have this type of papers with you, so don't panic, don't go outside, use plain white paper cut into moon shape and star shape, and for star you can color it with crayons. So let's start doing. See children, what I am doing, you can put Fevicol, little bit Fevicol in upper side of the moon, and stars you can put back. You can turn it back, and in back side you can put this Fevicol, little bit Fevicol in all the stars, moon, and arrange like that. Means first you can kept moon, then above the moon you can keep 1 star, 2 star, 3 star. It's all up to you how many numbers of stars you are taking. Here I am using only 5 numbers of stars, and 1 star you can keep below the moon, means in between the curve of the moon. So like this you can arrange. Okay, put Fevicol in each of them and then put this thread. This thread. Here I am using this type of thread. You can use plain white thread also if you don't have this type of. So you can put above all these stars and moon so that it will be like that. Above, at the above you can put one knot. After pasting all this, you can at the above you can put one knot here like this. Now our wall decor is ready. Check whether it is dry or not. If it is dry, now it's time to turn it. Yes, see like this. How beautiful is it? Like this. Okay, it's done. So I request to all parents to please help your child to make this. I again repeat, please don't bother to go outside and take this all thing. If you have this at your house, then no problem. Otherwise you can use plain paper, and color for stars you will use the color paper, or you can color with crayons on white paper and use it. Just cut it and give it to your kid so that they will try to arrange this one by one like this. Any color of your choice. And if you don't have this type of satin thread, you can use plain white thread also. Okay children, bye bye. Take care children, have a great day.